So let's talk about sharing videos, sharing playlists, embedding them, using them in other Google tools. This is really, the kind of key to everything here. So we're going to start really simple, sharing a single video. So I'm going to go to my channel because I have a video that I would like to share. Oops, let me go back. Clicked on my profile, not my channel. I'm already on my channel, so I'm going to click on videos. And I want to share this video. This is something we're doing in class this week. And I'm ready to share it. There's a couple different ways to do that. So I click my little share button here at the bottom, and you see all of these little icons pop up. If you want to share to social media at all, that's what these options are for. If you want to email the video to someone, here you go. If you just want to copy and paste the link provided for you here is all you need. So let's start with that. I'm just going to copy that link, and I'm going to go into my Google Classroom, post an announcement, and I would paste that link right here. I could use the little link option and paste and add it in. I can also click this little YouTube button. That's what this little video play button here is for. And what happens whenever you see this box, you're going to see this around Google, is that you can actually search for a video here, or you can type the exact URL in the second little option here. So I'm going to hit add, and I just want to show you how it appears differently. So the first one, I clicked on the hyperlink. It will work when I post it. It will look just fine. You'll be able to click on the link. But because I embedded it here, because I chose YouTube, it's actually showing up. You can see the name of the video. You're going to see and be able to play it right within Google Classroom. So this is really the preferred method. Now the same thing goes for on any of our other Google products like Google Slides or Google Docs. Whenever you hit insert and you go down to video, you're going to see a search option where you can search for the video and it will come right up. A URL option where you can paste the exact link and it will come up. Or here you'll see your Google Drive option where any videos that have been posted to your Google Drive are available for you to pull in. So even without YouTube, we can add video to presentations and documents that way. Now one tool that we have not talked too much about is Google Sites. And so I'm going to show you we're going to talk a little bit about that the last week. It's not the biggest tool out there, but it is a really fun tool for students to use. And on the right-hand side, we can insert things into our Google site. And I just want to show you this button is a little bit different. It says Google Embeds YouTube. But when it pops up, it's the exact same box we see everywhere else. So anywhere you are, you can just type in and search for the video you want to add, or you can put in the link to the exact video in that same box, and it will come up just the same way. So that's sharing a single video. Pretty simple. Now, one of the other little options I had here was to start the video at a certain time. So let's say the video is 15 minutes long, and I want kids to start at the 1 minute and 30-second mark. When I hit copy on this link now, you see this little bit was added to my URL. So it's actually going to start the video a little bit later. Now when I paste that link anywhere, we'll just do it and test it, your video is going to start at whatever time you told it to start at. So that's a really great way to get kids to only see a portion of the video when you don't have editing rights to that video yourself. Okay. Now let's go back and talk about a playlist. So earlier we created a little playlist, and I'm going to go back to my channel and click on playlists, and here it is. So I'm going to pull my cell division playlist up, and I have an option down here to share, and that's just on the single video. So that's not what I want. I'm not seeing the same options here to share this whole playlist. So let's go back. I'm going to go to my Creator Studio. I'm going to go to Video Manager, and I'm going to go to Playlists. Okay. Now, when I go to Edit here, I see my option to share. And here, I'm actually going to get a link to the entire playlist and not just that single video. So it's a totally different link, and it's a little bit longer. That's how you can tell it's a playlist link. You can also get what's called an embed link. So I'll show you what an embedding looks like. But basically, if you have a specific website or someplace you want to embed the video in, so they just pull it up and it just plays, that's called embedding. So I'll show you on Google Sites what that looks like. I'm going to copy this code. And on Google Sites here, I can actually insert an embed link, and I can take all of this code and paste it. And what's going to happen is that on my website, when I look at it, my playlist is embedded right in. Now, on all Google tools, just inserting the link to the playlist has the same effect. But you should know where that embed link is, because if you're using another tool and you need to embed the videos there, like a blog or a website, it's very, very easy to do by just pasting that embed code. And one thing you'll notice about wherever you embed or link the playlist is that when you hit play, in the top left corner, there is a little playlist symbol here, and I can see all 3 of the videos in the playlist and switch between them at any time. So it's a really great way, again, to share a series of things with kids without filling up their screen with videos. Just one playlist, a curated group of content, and very easy for them to access. So that's basically all there is to sharing videos. It's pretty simple. On your test, you might be asked to share that video with a specific person. So I mentioned earlier the share button and all of these social media links. The very last one, that is email, will actually take you to your Google Mail, and ours will not work if you're logged in under your school account. So it's something I can't really show you. It's bringing up my school email here and bringing me up a little email to send it to. But on your test, it would bring up Gmail. So it would be a really handy little tool to be able to click that and take it right to Gmail. But just be aware that all those tools are there and they're all on the specific video, okay? That is it for YouTube. It's pretty simple. Make sure you know all of the different ways to share the videos. That's, of course, the most important part when you're talking about working with students, is creating, curating content and sharing those videos with them.